Hey class, very good morning. How are you all doing today? So, today we are going to learn a new poem, The Quarrel. Now, this poem is going to be very relatable to your life because it's a very simple poem, a very general poem about a brother and sister's quarrel. So, before we start, let's recite the poem first. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing that led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, and the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." Very beautiful poem, very simple poem with beautiful rhyming words used. Now, to start with the explanation, I'll give you a brief introduction about it as to what is the poem about. Then we'll go for the line-to-line explanation. So, basically, this poem is divided into two paragraphs. Now, we all know generally brothers and sisters quarrel with each other, right? Now, it is very common situation in every family. Many times they quarrel with each other without any reasons, as you all do. Quarrel with your siblings without any reason. For silly reasons, you'll be quarreling. There must be no reason to fight at all, but simply just for fun time. And then again, you both get along. Now, their brothers and sisters quarrel begins over a very small issues, and with a small kind act, the quarrels also end. The same thing happens in the poem as well. Now it is very mystic and beautiful. So now let's read the poem and feel the same about it. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, but I knew he was wrong. See how stubborn the sister is? She knew she was right, and his brother was wrong. So here, the poet had a fight with his younger brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the cause of the fight. They didn't know what was the fight about. It might have started with a slight, very, very, very minimal affair. Nothing was the reason. It was a very slight. The start of fight was very slight. Nothing you could say. The fight was happening because of series of things. One thing was given way to another, like fire catching one another. It was nothing but it was just increasing from one topic to another topic, from other topic to other topic. Like there was continuously ongoing series of fight. Now while fighting, both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was modest and was not very serious. But gradually, as it went on, the start of it was very slight, very minimal. At the end of it, it became very strong. So it grew intense and became a serious issue. His brother said that he was right, whereas the narrator, the poet, was thinking himself or herself to be right side. She is so stubborn that she thinks that he or she is right and her sibling is wrong. Now we all know what is the meaning of quarrel, right? Quarrel means to fight with another, to debate with one another. And the word here slight, which I have been used often, means modest, very minimal. Okay. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong. So he said, in the right. How beautifully he ended, the poet has ended it. So he said he was in the right. So beautiful. Now, here, we hated one another. While the fight was going on, they both were hating each another. They were like rivals of each other. Now, normally when we fight, we become rivals of each other, right? We don't think anything, but all the like, I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do this. All such stupid thing comes into the mind. But the afternoon turned black. Now, in the noon, it was the time of noon. In the fight became very serious, and both started hating each other. Now, they didn't like one another at all. Okay. All of a sudden, the poet's brother hit him on the back and asked him to get along, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the whole night. So, this line, then the afternoon turned black. Now, this line, the afternoon turned black, means that it was like getting very serious. The fight was gradually increasing a lot. It doesn't mean it becomes night or something. It became very boring, it became very dull, it became very dark. The situation became very worst. Okay. Then suddenly my brother thumped on back of me and said, come on, get along. So he says, come, get along. It's not the right thing to pull the fight too much. It's getting serious. We can't go all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now, so he declared humbly that he was wrong. He confessed his mistake. He accepted his mistake, which proved his generosity. This moved the poet's heart, and he realized that he was wrong. Now see, it is so important that, in life sometimes, students, it's not important that whether you are right or wrong, but if you really value your friendship, if you really value your relationship, if you really value that opponent person or your sibling, and if you are the elder one or the younger one, no matter what, if you really value your friendship, your relationship with that person, you will let things go. Even if you are at the right side, you will apologize and let the matter down. You will not extend the matter. Why? Because you value your relationship. You want the opponent person to be happy. You don't want to increase the matter gradually. So you yourself will come forward and ask the opponent person to get along. Same thing the brother does here. He matters. What was important for him was her sister. What his sister? So he gradually came and accepted, confessed that he was wrong and he was right. And this generosity of his made the poet's heart melted. So even she on her heart felt that okay, it could also be my mistake. I shouldn't be so stubborn. And the quarrel ended into happiness, and the night didn't turn dark as the afternoon. Now hear the word thumped. And then suddenly my brother thumped me back. Thumped me back means to hit me back, to poke me back. Okay. And the afternoon turned black, as I said you, to become unpleasant. Right? So, now I have read you this short poem and explained you the summary of it. Now I want you all to share me the moral of the poem, what you grab from it. I have told you the story about a sibling, where the poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between two siblings began and ended without any reason. The poet says that he quarreled with his brother over something and he was not even aware of it, why he was quarreling about. Now then that evening, and the same evening, the fight was gradually increasing and the pretty issue was gradually becoming very serious. The poet was claiming to be right, whereas at heart he knew that he was wrong. Both of them didn't like one another. In the afternoon, something went wrong. Then suddenly his brother hit him on the back and poked him on the back and asked him to come along. As if, nothing has happened. as it is possible, or nothing was serious happened between us, to forget and come get along and enjoy it throughout the night. So he also claimed to be on the wrong side. He also confessed his mistake. So he was actually right where the time when he confessed his mistake. At that moment, the last line, can you see? So he was in the right. When the poet realized that it was also his mistake, so at that moment he was actually right. Now this shows his generosity. Okay, so I want you all to share the moral, the values, what you have understood from this poem to me by today in personal. Okay, thank you.